Hello everyone, today we are focusing on finding the derivatives of something from the definition of derivatives. So we choose the problem from the exercise xv, where you have to find the derivatives of 1 plus x squared to the power 1 by 2. So first of all, let me write down the definition of derivatives in mathematical form. So your definition is, we can write derivatives as dy by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 f x plus delta x minus f x by delta x. So this is your definition. So this is your definition of derivatives in mathematical form. So we will be applying these definitions to find the derivatives of 1 plus x squared to the power 1 by 2. So now let's consider, let y is equal to 1 plus x squared to the power 1 by 2. So or y is equal to 1 by 2 power means square root of, so that will be square root 1 plus x square, right? So now let's consider the small increment in x, which will have impact on a small increment on y. So let delta x be the small increment in x and delta y be the corresponding increment in y. So now you will get or y plus delta y is equal to root under 1 plus, now x will be replaced with x plus delta x, and your y is replaced with y plus delta y. So remember that wherever there is x, it will be replaced with x plus delta x. Remember that. Okay, that will be helpful for any problem related to the definition of derivatives. So now you grab that part. So now or take y to the other side is equal to root under 1 plus x plus delta x square minus y, or here already we got y as root under 1 plus x square. So now replace y. Okay, so now you replace y, so you will get delta y is equal to root under 1 plus x plus delta x to the power whole square minus root under 1 plus x square. Got it? So now you have to, when you see these problems, now I think you know that you have to rationalize so that it will be more easier. So or delta y is equal to root under 1 plus x plus delta x to the whole square minus root under 1 plus x square times root under 1 plus x plus delta x whole square minus plus root under 1 plus x square. You are rationalizing, so I am using plus with times, so dividing by the same thing, root under 1 plus x plus delta x to the whole square plus root under 1 plus x square, right? Or now this is your in the form of x minus a and x plus b, so that will be x square minus a square. So delta y is equal to root under 1 plus x plus root x whole square to the whole square minus root under 1 plus x square to the power whole square by root under 1 plus x plus root x to the whole square plus root under 1 plus x square. Here we are using x square minus a square is equal to x minus a and x minus x plus a. So here your x is this part and your a is this part. Okay, so now you will get our delta y is equal to, when you square that, the square root goes, so that will be 1 plus x plus delta x whole square minus that will be 1 plus x square by root under 1 plus x plus delta x to the square plus root under 1 plus x square, right? So now that will be delta y is equal to 1 plus square that is x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x whole square minus 1 minus x square by the same part root under 1 plus x plus delta x to the square plus root under 1 plus x square. So square cancels with that cancels with this, so you have left now or delta y is equal to 2x delta x plus delta x square by the same thing. Write it down, right? So that will be root under 1 plus x plus delta x to the whole square plus root under 1 plus x square, right? So now what do you have to do now? Since you already got that part, what do you have to do? So now take common, look at the top, you here you see common as delta y, so take delta y as your common, delta x as your common, delta x 2x plus delta x by root under 1 plus x plus delta x to the whole squares plus root under 1 plus x square. So now you have to divide. Look here, as I mentioned before, that should be in the form of delta x. Look here, delta x by delta y, so that will delta y by delta x. So now divide both sides with delta x, so that will delta x is equal to delta x by delta x 2x plus delta x, that will be root under 1 plus x plus delta x to the whole square plus root under 1 plus x square. Now delta x cancels, or delta y by delta x is equal to 2x plus delta x by root under 1 plus x plus delta x plus root under 1 plus x square, right? So now what do you have to do? Since you already got that part, so now you have to put the limit delta x tends to 0 on both sides. So now our limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, 2x plus root under x by root under 1 plus x plus delta x to the whole square plus root under 1 plus x square, right? So that will be in the form of what, as I mentioned before, that will be in the form of this, right? That will be form of delta y by delta x, right? That will be dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to, so now since delta x tends to 0, put the value at the top, so that will be 2x plus 0 by root under 1 plus x plus 0 will be x plus 0 to the whole square plus root under 1 plus x square. Remember that here when you putting the value of delta x tends to 0, make sure that the denominator should not be 0. Remember that the denominator should not be 0. Make sure that, okay, denominator should not be 0. So now you got that part. So now you have to, or dy by dx is equal to 2x by root under 1 plus x square plus root under 1 plus x square, or dy by dx is equal to 2x by the same thing, so they add up, that will make 2, right? 2 root under 1 plus x square, or dy by dx is equal to x by root under 1 plus x square, and that's your answer. So you can either check by using the other methods. So that's all for these videos. All right, thank you.